Hello, my YouTube family, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nompi, and this is the Show Up as Nompi. And do you not love the wall behind me? Because I do. And today's video is actually about the wall behind me. This year, I wanted to go big and I wanted to go bad. And I decided instead of doing a vision board, I am doing a vision wall, honey. So in today's video, I just take you through my vision wall and what is actually on my 2022 vision board. So stick around to see the whole process of how I get it done, and maybe you'll get inspired to do the same thing. So yeah, let's just start this video, honeys. So I got these cute pictures mostly from Pinterest, and then I transferred them into Canva so that I can have them on an A6 format. But really what I'm going to do is be cutting these into fours and putting them on these cute frames I got from PEP at about $11.99. So let's get to the cutting, guys. And this was a very quick process, but the result is absolutely to die for. Okay, like I loved every single bit of this. So after this, I just had to remove the back end of my frame and then remove that little brown piece there so that I can be able to stick it on the wall. And this took me about 20 minutes to get all of the pictures in there. And that's the final result. I absolutely love how it came out. It actually came out better than I thought it's gonna come out. So I was super excited at this point by the vision coming together. And then finally I had to just put some press stick or boss stick at the back of each picture because I live in a rental and I can't drill any holes. So yep, I had to be creative with this. But then that's the final bit of it. I had everything done and now we just had to get into the part of sticking. So yeah, guys, let's get to the fun part, which is trying to find something that works. So then I just kind of had this idea of having my pictures on the side and having a mirror in the middle of it. And the whole idea was that every time I look at my vision wall, I wanted to see a reflection of myself to remind myself that I'm the one responsible for making all of these come together. And yeah, that was pretty much the vision behind it. So here I'm just trying to find a very cute pattern that I like. And honestly, if you are OCD, please don't come for me because this thing is not perfectly straight, but it's perfectly beautiful for me. So yep, I'm gonna stop rambling and just let you enjoy looking at my booty. But yeah, guys, I absolutely enjoyed doing this and this was so much fun, guys. This was absolutely tons of fun.
That's not how this works.
But sometimes God doesn't meet our expectations because He eventually wants to exceed our expectations. And when Chartwell said that, I was like, whoa, like that is epic. And hallelujah. And I got on my phone and
We're done and I'm in love with the final look. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. Yes, if you are OCD, you probably are having all kinds of heart palpitations right now, but that wasn't the point. Yeah, so I'm still to hang up my mirror, which is gonna sit there, and I just love how it turned out. And just to show you some of the things I want to do, so I have a lot of quotes which pretty much present what I want to be about this year: dream, plan and do, being a multi-potentialite, money, and then some things that just kind of talk around my fitness goals, planning as well, my food. I absolutely love this one because it talks about being mindful, intentional and present. And then I love this one. This is probably one of my favorites, and it's really just around me allowing myself to flourish, and to flourish into the greatness that I am meant to actually assume, and this side, some of my favorites: hello 30. I'm turning 30 next year, so looking forward to that. One of my favorite quotes is an action figure. I believe I am an action figure for my dreams because no one else is gonna come do it for me. This one I love: be you, do you, for you. And I think it's also one of the things that pretty much speak about my year. I'm doing me this year. It is me season, okay? And this one, I am creating the life of my dreams. I want to be the woman of my dreams. Some around, this represents productivity for me. So I loved this picture. I want to get my style on. So I'm going to do a lot of capsule wardrobes to just kind of get my style in check. I'm going to be studying. So that's why I have that bad boy there. I'm going to be studying for an operations management course. And right at the top is a house because I'm saving to buy a house. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that and I hope it inspires you to do your own vision wall. I absolutely did enjoy doing this. One of the things I want to do more this year is let my creativity take me places. And I had fun with this whole process, okay? So if you want to do your own vision wall, please share with me on how it looks. But I really love this. And thank you so much for joining me in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, but more specifically, share with your other honeys so that we can grow together, guys. But anyway, I appreciate you. And please do show up for your life this week. I will see you next week. Okay. Bye.